Today I am going to discuss an order which has been published in all media groups, and it's published in all newspapers. The order is related to High Court directs PM office to bar agencies from approaching and contacting any judge. Justice Shahid Karim issued 6 directions in a written order June 27. Justice Shahid Karim issued directions on the complaint filed by the Anti-Terrorism Court judge in Sargodha against harassment. Complaint details. Former High Court Chief Justice Malik Shahzad Ahmed Khan has taken a suo motu on the judge's complaint filed with the registrar and started proceeding. Following his evolution to Supreme Court, Justice Karim presided over the case. The complaint of the Sargodha ATC judge pertained to his first day as in charge on June 7, when he was told that some authority wanted to meet him in his chambers. The judge said straight away and refused the request. Since then, he listed a number of harassment incidents targeted at his family, including damages to gas meter installed outside his official residence in Bahawalpur, where he was serving before being posted to Sargodha. He also submitted that his family received an electricity bill from the previous month, which was apparently a fake, and the possibility cannot be ruled out that it was sent to inconvenience with the power utility company and agency members. The judicial officer reported that his relatives were also teased by some unknown men about their personal information. Direction given by Justice Shahid Karim. Judge noted that it was imperative to proceed on certain issues that regularly come before the court and the regular come before this court, and regarding which directions are necessary to be issued in order to protect independence of judiciary. Number 1, he ordered instruction shall be go out to Prime Minister office to all civilian and military agencies, including intelligence working in Pakistan, regarding the strict directions not to approach any judge, whether of superior judiciary or subordinate judiciary, or any member of staff in future. Likewise, instruction shall be given to Inspector General of Police Punjab and all the police officers not to contact directly any judge of superior judiciary or subordinate judiciary regarding the merits of any pending judicial proceeding before the courts. The written order stated. It said that the measures against the security of ATC judges across Punjab would only be put in place with the consultation and concurrence of the learned judge of the court, and not otherwise, warning that the Inspector General and the police chief would be held personally responsible and proceeded against the incompetent if the order was violated. Number 4, Justice Karim also directed ATC judges across the Punjab to install calling recording applications in their mobile phones. They shall be bound to record all such calls which they received, with regard to which the learned judges have apprehension they have been made to influence any judicial proceedings before them. Number 5, a direction is issued to judges of ATC across Punjab to deal and decide cases regarding to 9 May 2023 expeditiously and priority. Number 6, the court directed that the Sargodha ATC judge and the court staff to cooperate in the investigation. All investigation proceeding shall be video recorded The record shall be maintained by the police and also remitted to this court through registrar. The order concluded that the proceedings were adjourned till July 8, 2024. In this order, the judge, Lahore High Court, has taken a very strong step in controlling and monitoring agencies' work. Let's hope for the best and pray that everything will settle nicely and Pakistan better future is expected. And I strongly believe that judiciary will keep on working and solid results will come forward.